In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to maximize PenFed rewards 2025 step by step. To get started, open the official guide for maximizing PenFed rewards in 2025. Once you're on the page, find and open the tutorial titled How to Maximize PenFed Rewards 2025 step by step, so you can follow along from start to finish. First, choose the right PenFed credit card for your goals. If a big share of your spending goes to gas, groceries, and dining, the Platinum Rewards Visa Signature Card is designed to earn elevated points in those categories. If you prefer a simple, flat rate approach on everything you buy, the Power Cash Rewards Visa Signature Card is a great all-around choice. And if you qualify for Honors Advantage, you can boost the cash back you earn with the Power Cash Rewards Card, making it even more compelling for everyday purchases. Pick the card or combination that maps best to how you actually spend. Next, strategize your spending so every purchase works harder. Use the Platinum Rewards card whenever you're at the pump, the supermarket, or a restaurant to take advantage of its bonus categories. For the rest of your everyday spending, lean on the Power Cash Rewards card to earn up to 2% cash back when eligible. You can also place recurring expenses like utilities or streaming on your card to steadily build rewards. Just be sure you can pay the balance in full each month so the rewards you earn aren't erased by interest. From there, manage and redeem your rewards wisely. Make it a habit to check your points or cashback balance regularly and note any expiration timelines. When it's time to redeem, aim for options that deliver strong value for what you need. Many people prefer statement credits for simplicity, while others time redemptions for higher value offers. The key is to be intentional rather than redeeming at random. Avoiding interest charges is essential. Pay on time and in full to keep your rewards net positive. Consider enabling alerts or automatic payments so a due date never slips by. Finally, be aware of policies. Some users have reported account closures tied to unusual or high-value redemption patterns, so keep your activity aligned with PenFed's terms and conditions. Also note that product changes between different card types aren't supported. If you want a different PenFed card, you'll need to apply for it separately and consider how that fits with your credit profile. Follow these steps and you'll be set to earn more, redeem smarter, and keep your PenFed rewards working in your favor throughout 2025.